Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so yesterday morning we talked about it. We had the pop as high as 36.37. They revisited that near the close yesterday, and we've kind of slipped right back into this consolidation area between 3600 and 3620. So here's your pop yesterday morning. Here's where we closed. It slipped right back in, and you can see the hourly mid-band here, and we're just kind of, we were dancing before. They've knocked it up. They tried to knock it down a couple times. You basically have a matching, low or a support area, 35.96, 35.97. They took two looks at that yesterday, and they couldn't break it. So from 97 up to 30, until this is broken, either here or here, you've got another consolidation zone. So hourly mid-band comes in this morning, 36.13. Volume weighted average price is sitting right on top of it, 12.7. 36.11 was yesterday's opening, and it's continued to migrate back and forth from there. Proprietary moving average is 10.5, and the 5-minute mid-band right now is 7.75. So they've done a pretty steady walk since the Europe Open, from 36.16 down to 36.02. They've bounced it back to 36.05. So we're flat right now. We had an okay day. We got chewed up a little bit in the morning, but from there, we did 3 or 4 solid trades, and we ended up in a really nice one into the close. So it was a really good way to start the week. The interim stops that we've employed to take the disaster stop out of play in almost all cases has really helped to limit the risk and at the same time limit the number of entries that we've been taking. So we continue to develop that, and it's been a really, really nice addition to the toolbox for us in the room. So we're going to continue to work on that. So as we head into today, I'm expecting to see a little bit of directional action, but not necessarily follow through. So if it continues to want to do what it did last week, and it's actually, despite the pop yesterday, it's actually doing in kind of it's doing it in a tighter zone than it was last week. I'd like to see this the total zone expand, 10 handles in each direction. Then we could really have a lot of elbow room. But, if it continues to do this, my best suggestion is, look, you take your profits where you find them. One of the things we did yesterday with a lot of success is, look, if you see that it's starting to not work, take 10 for the runner. Don't let that runner come all the way back in. Don't let that runner take you out. So, we're doing 6, 10, and 10, and that's fine. You put a couple of those together, and that's, that's 16, 17 handle day right there. And that's, what more do you really need? So we'll see how this opens. I want to see the interplay with the hourly mid-band. I want to see if it gets back to 35.96 and what that looks like. On the upside, it's about 36.30. So not a truckload to talk about this morning, except, look, accept it for what it is. That for now, until that range expands, it's a range-bound trade. Take your profits, do what you can out there to limit your risk. You know what we're doing in here, and we'll see. We'll see where we end up relative to the roundy and 36.30 at the end of the day. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.